Are you good at typing? Why not monetize your skill and earn up to $500 in 24 hours? Yeah, you heard that right. What I'm about to tell you is a way for you to make half a grand for just one day of work. No, I am not talking about some get-rich-fast scam. What I have for you today is a legit 100% free way to make money by just typing captions, transcriptions, and subtitles. What's even better is that this side hustle is extremely accessible. With the right mindset and dedication, any beginner can do it. And once you get going, there is so much room for growth. You can scale this side gig as much as you want and make a bank while doing so. No strings attached. So get your computer ready and watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. The money-making method I'm sharing with you today only requires one tool, and that is Rev.com. What is Rev, you ask? What is Rev? Rev.com is a platform that offers various services to content creators and business professionals. This includes captioning, subtitle writing, and transcription. But what concerns you and me is the freelancing part of the website. You see, all this captioning and subtitle writing has to be done by people. And that's where you come in. If you have a computer, a good internet connection, plus the patience to listen to an audio file and type, you too can work on Rev.com. And let me tell you, the pay is pretty good for such easy work. But before you start typing away and printing cash, you need to decide which one of the 3 opportunities offered by Rev.com you wish to go for. Do you want to be a transcriptionist, a captionist, or a subtitle writer? Let me tell you the details of each one to help you decide. Transcription. The first method you can use to make money on Rev.com is through transcription. A transcriptionist listens to audio recordings and then writes down everything they hear word by word. You will be transcribing business meetings, podcasts, or calls, among other things, while working as a transcriber. Being a transcriber is pretty easy. All you need are good listening and typing skills, as well as a good grasp of the English language. You will also need to follow any format or other requirements that Rev.com tells you to. Aside from that, any software tools you will need to do the transcription work will be provided by Rev.com. Rev.com pays 30 cents to $1 and 10 cents per minute of the audio transcribed. The second method I'm going to tell you about is captioning. Captioners write down accurately what the actors or the speakers are saying in a video. Captions are helpful for people who cannot hear well or are in a noisy environment watching said video. A captioner does 2 things. They write down the dialogue and such from a video. They also sync the text they have typed with the audio of the video. So that's part of your job description as well. The pay for captioners on Rev.com is 0.54 cents to $1 and 10 cents per audio minute. The requirements for captioners are similar to those of a transcriptionist. You will need to have a good grasp of the English language alongside good typing and listening skills. Any software you will need for the job will be provided by Rev.com. Subtitling. The third way you can make money on Rev.com is by writing subtitles. Subtitles are different from transcription and captioning because this kind of work involves translation. As a subtitles writer, you will have to translate the audio from a video in another language to English. Then you will have to write down the dialogue and other audio like you would when writing captions. Plus, you will have to sync the subtitles to the video. The most important requirement for being a subtitle writer on Rev.com, obviously, is that you must be bilingual or multilingual. Subtitles writers earn anywhere between $1.50 to $3 for every minute of audio or video they subtitle. This makes subtitling gigs the highest paying on Rev.com. How to join. Now that you know more about these money-making methods on Rev.com, you need to choose which one you want to go for. You can pick just one or multiple to maximize your earning potential. Your call. The next thing you want to know is how you can get started on Rev.com. Before I tell you that though, please drop a like if you have enjoyed the video so far. You can also subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. Let's get back to it. Joining Rev.com is pretty easy. Just go to Rev's website and scroll to the bottom. Here, you can see this Become a Freelancer button. Click on it and make your account. You will have to pass some simple tests to ensure that you can do the typing job you have applied for. Don't worry, The tests aren't too hard. You can pass them easily if you practice a bit beforehand. Once you are registered, you can go to your dashboard and find various typing tasks that you are eligible for. Each task will have its pay rate mentioned. Apply for anyone and start working. Now, let me tell you how you can make $500 in 24 hours on Rev.com. How much money you can make will depend on what typing task you are doing. For this example, let's assume you are only doing transcription jobs. You put in 24 hours of work, and you are transcribing 35 minutes of audio in an hour. For each minute of audio, let's say you are getting paid 60 cents. Once you calculate all this, you will be making $21 per hour and a total of $504 for 24 hours of work. And that's assuming you only do jobs that pay 60 cents. You can easily find transcription jobs that pay more. If you do higher paying tasks like captioning or subtitle writing, you can earn way more. As you can see, there is a lot of potential here for you to make money. There are several ways you can maximize your earnings on Rev.com. First of all, pick higher paying jobs as much as you can. You also need to work on improving your efficiency and accuracy while working. This will help you do more work in a shorter amount of time. If you can do all that, you will be making a bank in no time by just listening and typing. Well, that's about it. Do let me know in the comments which typing work you think has the most potential: transcriptions, captions, or subtitles. Please do like and subscribe for more content like this as well. Until next time, goodbye.